my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Johnson. I'm so excited to bring you a spring makeup look. This look is kind of technical just because I had to cut the crease, and I finished it up with a bit of some reddish orangey lipstick, and I styled my hair with this flower because in spring a lot of flowers blossom. I really love for you to sit with me and let's see how to create this look together. Just before you go, I'd love for you to give a thumbs up and then subscribe. I love you. Thank you.
Starting up as usual with my Anastasia Beverly's brow pomade in ebony. And I'm just going to conceal my brows with my LA Girl in Warm Honey. I really love this concealer. It has this consistency, and I'm just going to blend it all around my eyes. I'm using the BH Cosmetic palette. I'm using the lemon color on my crease. At first, I'm just going to blend it in with my Coastal Stains brush. It's a blending brush. I'll keep applying the eyeshadow and keep blending properly. And I'm using this green eyeshadow as well, and I'm just going to blend it into the initial lemon. It's also quite lemony, and then I'm using this other shade of green as well, and I'm applying it on my crease. I'm just going to keep applying the shades of green and then intensify it with this black. I'm just going to keep dabbing that into my crease as well, but quite lower than the upper parts of the crease. I just want to make sure that I blend. And then I am applying this same LA Girl concealer to create a cut crease on my eyes. And then I'm just going to make sure that the cut is quite defined. Blend it out with my Sacha Butter Cosmetics powder to just mattify it before I apply the eyeshadow. You hardly can see this color, but it's quite yellowish and has a tint of green in it. I'm just going to apply it at the inner part of my crease. I'm going to keep dabbing that in, until the color is built properly. I'll use this brighter shade of yellow as well to make it more intense. I'm going to keep applying and applying and applying till I'm satisfied with how the yellow looks. I'm going back to this green and applying it just at the side of the yellow. I'm going to keep applying it as well, as I said, just so that it can look really nice and colorful. I hope my voice is quite manageable. I'm having a cold, but I know that you guys are enjoying the video as you're watching. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I added another shade of green on the side of my crease. I'm just going to keep dabbing that on and then blend it out with the outer corner. I'm using this shade from my Morphe's palette, 350. I'm using it to highlight my brow bone. And then I use this BH Cosmetics eyeliner and maybe line mascara for my eyes. I did that off camera. That's the eyeliner, and then I am applying the mascara right here. I'm using my Black Opal foundation in Nutmeg. I already applied it quickly just so that you guys can catch up with the rest of the makeup. And I'm going to keep blending and use my LA Girl concealer in Warm Honey for the highlighting points of my face. That's under my eyes and the T-zone area, which is very necessary, my cupid bow and my chin, that I don't miss. So I'm just going to dab that using my beauty blender and just keep applying and applying, and I just keep blending and blending. Blending takes a lot of work, but you have to be patient just so that you don't have any harsh lines going on your face, except if the harsh line is intentional. So I put my Sacha Butter Cosmetics powder to mattify the highlighted areas. I'll be applying Milani powder in 109 all over my face as well to mattify the areas that are quite oily and I haven't even applied powder on. And then I'm using Milani powder in cacao to contour the contour areas of my face, just to make sure that my face is well defined and structured. And then moving to my Master Mario palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm using the orange color right there underneath my eyelids by the waterline, and I'm just gonna put that just so that it could complement the makeup really nice. And then I'm using this silky smooth black hole pencil to line my waterline as well. I'm just going to smudge the eyeliner with black eyeshadow and just make sure that it is smooth enough. Then I apply my lashes. Then I'm using this Health highlighter. It has a rose gold finish. It is really lovely. I'm using it on the highlighting points of my face, my cheekbone area. I'm going to use it on my chin. And then on my cupid bow, and then on my T-zone as well. And then I'm using my BH Cosmetics blush palette. I can't really do without this blush palette, so this is what I keep using, and it really comes out really nice and beautiful. Then I'm using this Skate of London in 22 for my lips. I'm using it to line my lips. Then I'm using the Milani lip gloss in Pink Lady. I'm just going to apply that right on my lips as well. I really love it. It has a very lovely fragrance. And then I'm using my NYX Brown Coffee pencil to define my lips some more because I have full lips. And then I added Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Spicy just to make the lips a bit more spicy and brighter. I really love this look. I hope you guys love this look as well. I pray that your life remains blossom in the name of Jesus. Love you guys. Thank you.
That's why I give you everything.